So these are all for today. I love our little garden. Got broccoli, we got tomatoes, cantaloupe, a big watermelon, better melon, and white radishes, long green bean, and the short one. Well, today this is our first time picking of the, what is that, cantaloupe and the watermelon. So this is the first one, a good size, and we'll see more.
Small one, but hey, they're good. They're free. Look at the tomatoes that are going to be coming.
And there's another
Oh,
one.
wow, there's a big one. Or not a big one, but
Regular size.
a little bit bigger.
And then little watermelon, tomatoes again.
Tomato. Oh, wow.
And then I was my surprise with the.
She's got a surprise over there for me, she says.
He wants to try the bigger one.
Oh, I'm going to have watermelon today.
We have a watermelon. We were gonna have a
Don't throw that one, I'll drop it.
fruits today. Okay? And there is lots coming.
Yeah, there's more coming.
So we will try this one first. And if it is good, we're gonna pick more. That's today, and we're gonna pick some of the radishes, right?
Yep. Look at it. It takes up the whole bucket.
Yeah, there's more coming here, so. Oh, bossy. Oh. I don't want to step here because there's watermelon.
Right.
You're back. Here. So now we're gonna pick
White radishes.
okay. I think we're gonna have two because we're gonna have a salad.
Okay. Hey.
Good size.
Yeah. Got an elbow in him, but he's okay.
Like an elbow. One more. This is a sample. This is a second replant.
Yep. We cut the top off and planted the top part of the
Yeah.
white radish, and
Voila.
that was what, a month and a half ago, a month ago?
Yeah, month ago. So get that.
Holy, look at that one. That one's good.
Yeah, really good. We got this one, and then we're gonna pick. What we surprise, guys, is
The red one?
no, it's hold up.
That one ain't holding up nothing.
Okay, he wants to pick this one.
Yep.
So we'll try. Holy moly! There are lots. Pink radishes. So we're gonna try that one. And we still have a.
You got one over there too, yeah. Or what is that red thing over there? That's the tomato.
Tomato. We'll pick the, as long as we can, the tomatoes. So and there is a big.
That'd make a nice salad.
Yeah, we'll have a salad. Okay, and what we surprised is we thought the long green bean is done, but no. Let's go.
Let's go over there and get some green beans. Now we're gonna start and get some climbing green beans. I thought they were done for the year, but they're not. I like them. They chop them up, make a salad, or we can use them in a stew.
Later.
Yeah.
Oh. See, one for this one.
And we can have them after church tomorrow too. Have the watermelon for supper today.
You need to pick this one because if we don't,
They'll go to waste. Yep.
they're going to waste. Because there are lots of waste here.
Yep.
It's not waste, you just save the seed.
If they dry up right, then we use them for seeds, and we got all kinds of seeds.
Next year.
And next year I'm
This
gonna.
one is a very long one.
Yeah.
And there's a lot here. I'm surprised. How many meals? With our cantaloupe. Your cantaloupe here, and we will get a
I spied
there's
one
no more coming.
right there, fourth board from the post.
Oh, really?
Yep. It's small, but it's about 6-8 inches long. Make a nice green bean salad. Fourth board, right up against the board. Nope, two of them. I didn't see that one. Yeah, it was a little longer than I thought it was.
Okay, we'll pick some of the watermelon.
Right straight down. Get those 3.
Okay. For now. Hi guys, this is
Our bitter melons, yeah.
small but
Hey, that'll make a good salad.
yeah. Watermelon, we got the long green bean,
Tomatoes
tomatoes.
and 2
Let's see the
radish.
broccoli, okay?
Yeah. The broccoli's all gone to seed.
Yeah.
Oh well. Hey, let's take a look and see if there's anything else over here.
Wanna pick a broccoli there?
Got one.
Yeah, that one. There are lots here too. How can we leave this? There are lots.
A lot of it's gone to seed, but
Oh, the green bean. Look.
oh yeah, there's green beans coming.
More. See, there are lots. We'll pick the broccoli, guys. That one we don't pick because
Oh, you go ahead and get that one.
she wants it. She wants it.
Well, let's see what we got for vegetables. Go in and clean them up, and
There are lots more here.
green beaners there for later. Yep,
Maybe the next day. No.
yep.
Oh, oh. There are lots. I'm gonna harvest this one because it will turn too much more.
Them are itty bitty green beans, but them are good.
Yeah, it's very good. We have a mini garden, guys, but it's just like a farm. There are lots. I don't know. They're growing. We love to grow with my garden.
Are any of them down in the end growing? Cantaloupe or whatever those are?
Huh? It's a zucchini.
Zucchini?
Yeah.
I think they're done for the year, right?
I think there's not blooming.
Yeah, I thought I saw some blooming earlier.
Just leave it like that.
Yep.
Just like the long green bean. We don't expect they grow again. They bloom again.
Yep. Next week before we take off to head out west, we'll have to come in and make sure we got everything picked. Otherwise, they'll be
Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoy with our little garden and it brings more blessings for us for how many meals in the table, right?
right.
And we love our garden. We love our small and
Our
simple
fruit,
living here.
our
in
vegetables. Yep, not our fruit, but our vegetables, and yep, it's good to fill up the tummy with something that's productive instead of fast food.
Yeah. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy our mini tour and garden picking. Have a great day.
We love y'all.
Bye.
Bye.